Dr. Scully, and on today's episode of Bio with Friends, we will be interviewing people on what they think about Darwin's theory of evolution, specifically vestigial organs. The first person we are interviewing today is Dr. Amstutz. She majored in biology for 7 years at the University of Vestigial Organs. Hello, Dr. Amstutz. How are you today?
Hello there, Dr. Scully. Thank you for having me today, and I'm quite spectacular. How are you?
I'm quite well, thank you. Now, what's your view on the appendix as a vestigial organ?
Well, first off, a vestigial organ is an anatomical feature that no longer seems to have a purpose in the current form of an organism. In my personal opinion, I think that all organs are important in the body of organisms. And the appendix actually stores white blood cells when you're a baby to help fight off infection, and it also is used in the immune and digestive system. Those are my thoughts.
Well, thank you for being on our show.
Thank you for interviewing me. I enjoyed it.
Our second person to be interviewed is this kind lady we found named Miss Daisy. How are you today?
Well, I'm finer than frog's hair. How about yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you. So what are your thoughts as the tailbone is a vestigial organ?
Well, I know that evolutionists think that it is useless now, but was once useful to our ancestors, the apes, as a tail. But today, the actual use is that it is an attachment site for ligaments, muscles, and tendons, so it is very important.
Thank you for your opinion.
Peace out, man.
Hello, would you like to be on our show, Bio with Friends?
Sure, why not?
Okay. Our next person to be interviewed is a random citizen that was walking by and looked very smart. Hello, how are you, and what is your name?
I'm doing well, and my name is Coral. So, what am I doing here again?
We are interviewing people on vestigial organs and what they think. So what do you say about vestigial organs?
Well, you're in luck because my dad is actually a hardcore evolutionist and has taught me all about vestigial organs. I know that evolutionists believe that vestigial organs are evidence for evolution, and organisms having vestigial organs probably share a common ancestry with organisms that used to use the now vestigial organs in the past. But personally, I believe that there is an intelligent designer who created everything, and vestigial organs have many errors. For example, the blind tetrafish has eyes but is born blind. He also lives deep in the ocean where it is pitch black. The question is, why is the fish born with eyes if it can't even see? Well, the answer is because the eye mutation gives the fish an advantage in tasting and smelling, which is a huge benefit in the dark environment. So they're actually not useless. Thank you for having me. This is such a nice surprise.
Thank you for coming. Our last person to be interviewed is Dr. G, the famous archaeologist from Alaska. Do you think that intelligent design should be taught alongside Darwinian evolution in schools today?
I think that evolution is taught as a fact and not as a theory, and the problems of evolution are not addressed. Alongside of evolution, I believe that intelligent design should be presented and students should be able to decide what they believe for themselves. Evolution is simply a theory after all.
Thank you for joining us today. And this concludes our weekly episode of Bio with Friends. Until next week, stay smart!
No.
Now let's play a game called Name That Vestigial Organ! Wisdom teeth! Tailbone! Appendix! Body hair! The third eyelid! Is this showing our mugs?
Oh. Okay. Hands are sweaty.
I'm so nervous. I've never been on TV before. Okay. Okay.
Your turn.
Control yourself, mate.
So much. Okay. We start. Rewind. Okay.